back, boys and girls. We just celebrated Flag Day this past Sunday, so today we'll be creating our own little flag. The materials you will be needing for this activity will be the bag of strips of different color papers, your glue stick, and a white crayon, okay? So before we start this activity, the first thing I want you to do is draw a few stars with your white crayon onto the blue strips, all right? I already pre-did mine, so we're good to go. Then after that, you're gonna basically be making streamers. You'll be using your glue stick. I'm gonna use a stapler to make this go a little quicker. You're gonna take your next strip, put it in, do the same thing, glue it down. In my case, I'll be stapling. And no snap. Alright, so boys and girls, for that first row, I would like for you to do 5 strips of blue, and then I want you to finish it off with 4 strips of red, okay? That's gonna be for that first row. Then each row is gonna have about 9 strips, okay? So for our next row, we're gonna start off with blue again, and then we're gonna finish it off with 4 white. Then after that, we're gonna go into just the one solid color. We're gonna do 9 reds, then 9 whites, and then your finished, your flag should look like this once we are finished with it. All right, got our stars, boom, bam, bam.